Whenever we're trying to learn something, we need to isolate the part we're trying to work on, like take it away so that we can totally focus on that part of the skill. Get rid of as much else as we possibly can. And then intensify it. We want to train at a difficulty that's higher than we actually need in context, because when we go back to, in this case, a game of chess, it's so much easier to visualize or whatever than it was before. And I basically figured I would try blindfold chess without the decision. So I recorded myself reading notation for a game, and then I would listen back to it with my eyes closed and try and follow everything that was happening and understand what's happening in the game. And I picked stuff from different openings, ones I didn't play, completely unfamiliar positions, and I tried to just in my mind keep track of everything that was happening. Recorded a 25 move game because I'm a little overconfident at times. And I fell off by move 2. The knights came out and I was already confused.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay. And I went back to the beginning of the audio and I listened again and again. And I went over it again. And when I lost track of something or a move didn't make sense, I'd go back to the beginning again. And I did that for about 10 minutes and went, okay, that was a fun experience.